Today's job is fitting this to that. I've seen YouTubers do this before. It doesn't work. I'm gonna have to do it myself. Right, so first things first, I need to remove some plastics. Naked bikes, so much easier to work on. I might have to disconnect the indicator. Never thought of that. If I remember rightly, it's quite easy to do. So, it's this one here. Not that you can see what I'm poking at. Let's have a look, see if I can see that one there. And that should just come right out. Aha! She's off. Ta-da! Anyone else get excited when they take plastic off? It's a chance to clean it properly. Just me? And let's go to the other side. Lovely! Alright, so now, got the plastic off, time to offer it up. That goes in there. All the holes line up. Sewed. Right, what have I done with my screwdriver? I put stuff down and then I don't. Oh, it's there. It's there. Oh. Panic over. Found it. Now, a smart person would have watched a YouTube video on somebody else doing this first. I'm not the smart person. That's getting cleaned. Because that is minging. Just going to put a cloth over the mudguard, just in case I bash it. That would be a sensible thing to do, wouldn't it? Otherwise the next video will be on spray painting. Like I say, if this goes well, feel free to like and subscribe. If it doesn't go well, go watch another YouTube video on somebody else doing it. I don't want to tighten that too tight, but I do want to locate it. Okay. Next. So, where are we looking? Let me find a pointer. So, this one here. Need to remove that one. Now I think that's a solid bar that goes all the way through, because there's no bolt on the other side. So I think unscrew that, pull that out, that'll loosen this radiator off, which might tip forward a bit. Put this in place, in there, screw it back on, step back, admire my handiwork. That's the plan. It's just one bolt. Maybe this is simpler than I thought. Okay, that idea didn't work. That needs to come off, because I need to put the top on first. Oh! Ta-da! Let me show you what I've done. So, where are we looking? This bit here. That's not a bolt, so that just hoops on. And then you secure it the other side with a bolt. So that has to go on first. Then we can put that side on. Hey! Excuse the smug. Very proud of myself. She is on. That was quite simple. Simples. All secure. Not going anywhere. Just protect the old radiator. Nice. Trying not to get water in the connection, Michael.
Why are you disabling it? Just have a look at the other side.
I took the other side off as well. You're a good help though, thank you. Oh, this is the fiddly bit. Oh, click. Oh, that's a nice sound. Right, I'll just put that clip back on there. So that's on. Lovely. That goes on there. Because that one needs to go on there.
You good?
I'm good. Are you good?
Yeah.
We're all good.
You okay?
Sometimes, yeah.
I mean, like with that, motorbike. Hey Dad, are you actually going to put that on TikTok?
YouTube.
YouTube. Will they see my hand?
I'll edit that bit out
Oh.
to give you some anonymity.
What does it mean by hand?
It means that people don't know who you are, so you can't be identified.
I just put my hand in.
You just want your hand in YouTube.
Yeah.
Cut to Edith's hand.
It will be funny.
I need to edit it.
Oh, okay.
It's not live. We're not live streaming this. Too much can go wrong. What do you think to the new grill?
Oh, that's good.
You impressed?
Yep.
Or not so much?
I'm very impressed by that.
Okay.
Ooh,
Slightly
what's
patronised.
this?
Well, I put that there in case the radiator fell.
Has it fallen yet?
No, it didn't fall. It was just in case. Better safe than sorry.
Why do you have a sticker here?
That was from the Dragon Rally 2026.
Uh-huh.
So we had to put a sticker on your bike so that when you got to the party, then you were
Official member?
official member of the Dragon Rally. Yeah, definitely official member.
I want to be an official member.
Do you?
Yeah.
When you're older, you can go on the bike and we'll go together. So what I should have done before I screwed the panels back on. Ta-da! That turned out to be quite an easy job. Come with me while I bask in my glory. Nice. That's it. Follow for more bodge jobs.